What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add different coins to your MetaMask wallet. For example, if you decide to add different coins based on certain blockchains, here's what you need to do. First, choose your blockchain. For this video tutorial, I'm going to be using Ethereum, but it's going to be exactly the same if you would like to add coins on a different chain, for example, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, or any other chains. Next, scroll down and press on Import Token. In here, you'll have two different options. One is the Search option, and the other is Custom Token. In the Search option, you can just type the token that you're looking for, like Uniswap, for example. Just press on it and then press Next and Import Token. That's it. Uniswap is added, and you can go back, scroll down, and see the token you just added. If you go back to Import Tokens and start searching for a token that's not listed, you'll need to press on Custom Token. Then, you'll need to get the token contract address. For this video tutorial, we're going to pull up the address from CoinGecko. Let's say you found some coin on CoinGecko and you would like to add it to your MetaMask wallet. There are multiple ways you can do this. If, for example, next to the contract address, you see the little fox icon, you can press on it, and it's technically supposed to add the token automatically. When you press on it, you'll get a pop-up box, and you can press Add Token, and it's going to add the token automatically. Just press Add, and it's done. If that's not going to work, or you found tokens somewhere else on some other website, you need to copy the contract address from the website. Go back to MetaMask, scroll down, press Import Tokens, select Custom Token, and paste the contract address. By default, the token symbol and decimal should be filled out. If they're not filled out, find the token symbol and decimal on the website and enter them manually. Press Add Custom Token and then Import Token. That's it. You can now see all the tokens you just added. This method will work for any chain you're trying to add to your MetaMask wallet. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.